Step into the world of DIY engineering as we put our homemade circular sawmill to the test. This remarkable creation has been carefully designed for power and precision, and now it's time to see how it handles real work. In this 3-minute demonstration, you'll witness the sawmill effortlessly slicing through birch and alder logs, showcasing its efficiency and reliability. From its smooth operation to the clean cuts it produces, this machine proves that a well-built tool can tackle even the toughest tasks. Whether you're a fan of woodworking machinery or just love seeing creative projects come to life, this video is sure to impress. Watch as the sawmill proves its worth and earns its place as a powerful tool for any woodcutting needs.